malayo sa pamilya, pero mababago pa naman ang buhay nila. Di nyo lang alam, buhay namin dito sa ibang bansa, sobra ang hirap, minsan ako'y napapaluha. Iniisip ko na kaya ang buhay nila sa ating bansa, lalo na wala kong sabi nila.
Huh? No, Binyan is over there.
What's that there?
No, that's not island. It's part of...
Mahirap man ibang bansa, kailangan ang magtipid hanggat kaya.
Ladies and gentlemen, while wearing masks is no longer required on board the aircraft by the federal government, and we love seeing your smiles, the choice is yours if you prefer to wear one. Most of all, we want you to be comfortable during this flight on United One. For those of you sitting in the extra room, after the time to review the safety cards and the seat pockets, please take a look at every frequent flyers. These aircraft type is different. This is the Boeing 737-800 series. If you're unable for not to visit a flight attendant bill, we'll check if you find it in too. Thank you.
Di nyo lang alam, buhay namin dito sa ibang bansa, sobra ang hirap, minsan ako'y napapaluha. Iniisip ko ano na kaya ang buhay nila sa ating bansa, lalo na wala ako sa piling nila. Di nyo lang alam, buhay namin dito sa ibang bansa, sobrang hirap, minsan ako'y napapaluha. Iniisip ko ano na kaya ang buhay nila sa ating bansa, lalo na wala ko sa piling nila. Ganyan nagmamahal ang isang OFW, ganyan nagmamahal ang pusong OFW.
Huh? So? We're gonna be here for 8 hours, guys. So what we gonna do? Make suggestions below. We can TikTok or and stay in the lounge. There's cow in here. Ay, Carabao. Look, 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 look. There's Carabao. The Carabao. No. There. The Carabao. Looks so alive. There. Oh. See? And I take picture with the Carabao. And go over that side. Right.
Ginagawa mo.
Oh, Carabao, hindi nagugutom yun. Kanina pa yun dyan. Tagal na. Ilang taon na. My back hurt. My back hurt. My backpack is so heavy, guys. It's so heavy. And I better go back and sit down. Hmm? Where's the lounge? Ah, I think that's the one. What? They said? That's Guam, guys. Guam. Sorry, we cannot go out. Cannot. This is Guam. Hello. Can you say about Guam?
Oh, it's very nice.
Very nice, you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna be here for 8 hours. 8 hours long. And what we gonna do? You know that place over there? Yeah? That's so nice. I've been there before. How? That's very far. I mean, not that far, but
When did you come?
I forgot the name.
When did you come?
I think 2013? Oh no. No, 2014. Okay? Let's go, guys. There's Mama Lu. Very tired.
Ang daming tao, guys. Ito yung Guaminias.
Stop over lang, guys. Hapaday! Welcome to Guam! Mahal. Pomon Beach. Okay guys, mukhang hindi namin kaya yung 8 hours na dito lang sa labas. Magla-lounge tayo.
tamang lalagyan at iwasan na po ang paglibot sa loob nating eroplano. Maraming salamat po.
Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah, I think that we've all had enough. They know that we're calling it love. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. I refuse to think we need saving. Something good will come from creation. And when we think that the world is too anxious, we'll adapt, evolve, survive and save it. What keeps you up at night? Yeah, make all the demons quiet. Yeah, we were built to thrive. Yeah, I think that we've all had enough.
Ilang oras po dito ay tinatapos sa 8:45 ng gabi. Pinaka-importante ba tayong manatili na kung paano sabi ng mga sigaw sa mga daladalang malinis sa tamang lalagyan. Hanggang sinyalan sa sigaw na hindi niya nakaligaw. Mangyari mo pong naghiya, magbubuhos na malalagyan at baka kumasa na pa rin yung mga pagahin. Sa ngalan po ng United Airlines, ito po Kevin Crew, nagpapasalamat po kami sa pagtangkiling United Airlines. Hinahangad namin matiwasay paglalaki paglalakbay mula dito hanggang saan tungan ninyong paglalakbay. Maraming salamat po. Maligayang pagdating dito sa Maynila.
Nais ko lang ipalam, iba to sa katulad ko.
Pilipinas ka na. Second time? Oh, you're big. Bigger than me.
Baby in my first time.
Okay. Where?